beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So guys, I have our BoxyCharm box. This is the base box for November 2022 that I'll be unboxing today, and I'll show you guys what's in here. If you're not familiar with this box, this is the base box. It costs $27.99 per month, and it comes with 5 full-size products in here. And this is my paid for box, and I'll be showing you guys what I received in here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I do subscription unboxings, haul, skincare, beauty, as well as I am a luxury purse lover. And if you enjoy those things, then this is the channel for you. If you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, it'll keep you up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. If you want to leave me a comment below, guys, and let me know what you thought about today's box and the products inside, please feel free to do so. It'll let me stay up to date with you, and I'll be able to correspond with you, and we'll get to know each other a little bit better. But without further delay, guys, let's go ahead and pop this box open, right? So this is your sneak peek inside. Every month we do get a card, guys, with a theme. So it says it's giving giftable glam is what's written on the bottom here. On the back of our card, it tells you the variation you have, as well as what products are inside and a little information about those products, as well as the value. So without further delay, let's start off with our first product. So I have a Luna Magic product here. This is Luna Magic Beauty. This is the Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. This has a value of $16, and it's a hydrating sheer lightweight lip balm that leaves your lips soft and lush, infused with vitamin E to nourish the lips, and formulated with jojoba oil to heal dry lips and help to lock in moisture. So let's see what colors we have in here. I guess I'll go this way. So we have these 2 colors here. As they said, they're sheer. I'm not even going to bother to open them since they're sheer products. I think these are nice sizes to kind of use if you're not familiar with this brand, which I'm not. This is the first time I've seen this brand in any of my BoxyCharm boxes. So this may be a new brand to BoxyCharm. But if you guys have tried this out, let me know how these products work for you. But I think these are 2 nice size products here to try out, and definitely let you know if you really like the line or not. So let's go on to our second item in the box. So guys, the next item I'm pulling out for you, this is made by Reveal. It's a gel mask here, and it's by, I'm sorry, the company is TYNT. I have seen them in a box before. I think I got a mascara from them in the past. But this is their Reveal Spa Water Gel Mask. It's valued at $28. And the information we have here says Reveal beautiful, hydrated, and glowing skin with this refreshing and revitalizing spa water gel mask. It's fortified with hyaluronic acid, cucumber, and melon extracts. It refines the skin with hydration for finer looking pores and an overall healthy and radiant glow. So let's see what this looks like outside of the box here. So this is our product here, guys, outside of the box. How many ounces is this? This is 2.5 fluid ounces, guys, is what the product is. I can't wait to try it. I like doing spa day, so I'll be glad to see how this one works. I haven't used this before. If you guys have, let me know in the comments, and if this product worked for you. But let's go to our next one, right? So the next thing we have is a Ciate London product, and this is a velvet lip liner pencil that we have here. And this product here is valued at $18. And does it say what color it is? It's a long wearing lip liner. I don't see, oh, the color is cocoa. It's very tiny written on here, so they must be trying to blind me. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. And this has an $18 value, guys, and it is cocoa. Let's see. Oh, it's a really like a light color brand. I'm gonna make it thick so you guys can see it a little bit on my skin. It's almost like matching me, so I hope you can see it. But this is the color, and it's just a regular crayon kind of tip. And the information we have here about the pencil, it says Achieve velvety soft lips with this liner. This is a soft, matte, intensely pigmented formula. Glides on effortlessly onto your lips to perfectly define or reshape your lips. The perfect pout is just a stroke away. I would say it did glide on very easy, guys. I didn't have any problem with it going on. It is definitely a matte color. So if you enjoy matte lipsticks, this is probably something you're going to like. So let's move along to our next product. Uh-oh. This is a repeat product for me, guys. I've had this one before. I think I got this almost like a year ago, or maybe less than a year ago. We have the Soleil hair tools here, and this is the mini heat brush. They're saying this thing is valued at $150. I don't have any products that are heat tools that are this small for $150. I don't know if they bought like these in bulk and have like bought double the size or something, or got some incredible deal on these things, because this is a repeat item for me that I wasn't too happy about the first time. I have thick hair. This brush is too tiny for me. I can't do nothing with this. This is something that someone else can get as a gift, because I can't do nothing with this heat brush. I don't even know, has anybody used this that got this in their box? Let me know if this worked for you, but this is definitely a repeat. This one I'm kind of annoyed with because I didn't use the last one they sent. Now I got another product that I can't use. I mean, hair tools are okay, but this is like a beauty box. If this came in a lifestyle box, like in the luxe box, or even in the premium, I would understand a little bit more, but in the base box, no. No, this was just put in to inflate the cost of the overall box, but it's a no for me. I'm not happy about this at all. So that's just what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to move on so I don't go on a tangent about repeats, but I'm not happy. So we have one more product in our box, guys, that I'm going to pull out. So we have an Item Beauty, and this looks like this is a eyeshadow palette. So that's cool. This is valued at $24 here. It says, have them seeing stars with this blendable, buildable 10 shade eyeshadow palette. A cosmic collection of warm shadows, cool neutrals, and star-dusted shimmers for a look that is out of this world. Again, $24 value. Let's pop it out the box and see what this guy looks like. I love eyeshadow palettes, so I'm hoping this is something that I really like. And on the front it says in my element, and it's a lot of shimmers, and I love the rose gold case that they have here. Very pretty. Oh, ooh, these are nice. These are some nice colors for the fall too. Absolutely. I'm going to cover the mirror, guys, so I don't blind you with the lights here, but these are the colors. These are gorgeous. I think these are very beautiful colors. I could really have some fun with this. Now, I don't think I've ever received the Item Beauty eyeshadow palette before, so I believe this is going to be the first time I get to use the eyeshadow palette. And I think these are really beautiful shades. Very beautiful. So, guys, this is our box here. So, in review, we got eyeshadow palette. We have a lip liner. We have a gel mask. We have our 2 lip balms here by Luna Magic. And we have our repeat item from Soleil, which is this mini heat brush that is supposed to be valued at $150. No, actually, I am good with everything in this box except this. Everything in here I feel like I can use and I get good use out of. And I'm eager to try out this palette by Item Beauty here. I think this will be fun. And the name of the palette is called In My Element. I can't wait to try this out. I believe this lip liner will work great for me. The lip balms, I love lip balms. And I love gel masks. The only thing I don't like is this repeat item, which is this mini heat brush that I didn't use the first time because my hair is too thick for this thing. This is nothing to me. Maybe someone I know can use it, or I'll give it away as a Christmas present or something like that. But it's a no for me. Overall, I would say I'm pretty happy with everything except that item. But guys, this is my box. It's my paid for box. Let me know what you thought about the products that I got in this month's box. If you are receiving this box, what do you feel about these repeat items? These things are starting to be like a really thorn in my side to keep seeing the same stuff. And especially when it's stuff that I can't even use, then I get more annoyed. But let me know what you thought about this month's box. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you thought. Until our next video, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you next time on my next video. Bye.